The fracture in the cloud. The wind in Alaska cuts like ice. Ethan lived in a small cabin alone, next to a massive humming server farm. The fans never stopped their loud noise. Ethan took this job for the money. He wanted a future with Sarah. Today his 3-year contract finally ended. He wanted to surprise his girlfriend tonight. He sat in the Uber in San Francisco. His phone buzzed with a new text. Ethan, honey, I am busy tonight. I am working an event at the Ritz. Do not call me, okay, sweetheart? Ethan looked at his rough, thick hands. Sarah worked in a small furniture firm. The Ritz was too expensive for them. He replied okay and sent her money. The money was accepted in 1 second. Suddenly Ethan saw a huge digital billboard. He froze as he read the screen. Jason Tech Series A funding launch. Jason was Sarah's rich ex-boyfriend. Standing next to him was Sarah. She was smiling like a queen tonight. Jason worked so hard for 3 years. We built this miracle together, she said. Ethan gripped the car door handle tightly. The code on the screen was his. He wrote that code in frozen Alaska, while eating noodles in the cold dark. Sarah was just a thief in love. She used him as a human battery. Driver, do not go to the apartment. Take me to the Ritz-Carlton now. He watched Sarah from the car window. She was laughing with wealthy investors. She would call him a crazy stalker. He needed proof and he knew where. Driver, take me to my home instead. Ethan arrived at his Silicon Valley home. He bought it with all his savings. He saw 2 pairs of shoes inside. Sarah's heels and large leather shoes. The air smelled of expensive men's cologne. He went straight to his home office. Sarah thought it was just a computer. Ethan checked the private cloud logs. Every file he wrote Sarah had stolen. She sent his work to Jason's email. He found their secret chat logs too. The nerd just finished the patch, Jason. We can go skiing in Aspen now. Ethan let out a short, cold laugh. He backed up every file and chat. Then he added a secret logic lock. He put an invisible watermark in code. If the system ran too fast, it would crash and burn completely. He changed the smart home door code. He turned off the power and internet. He checked into a motel across street. A Porsche pulled into his driveway soon. Sarah and Jason walked to the door. Access denied. The red light flashed. Sarah panicked and texted Ethan immediately. Open the door now, do not embarrass me. Ethan typed back with a cold smile. This is my house, you are trespassing. I called the police for help. Police lights flashed in the dark driveway. The cops checked the owner's legal name. Sarah had no rights to be there. They drove away in total shame. Ethan slept better than ever before. The next morning Ethan shaved his beard. He put on his best sharp suit. He filed a lawsuit against Sarah first. Then he visited an old college friend. The friend was a lead investment auditor. Ethan showed him the stolen code logs. If this is true, Jason committed fraud. Tomorrow is the big tech demo, Ethan. Get me into that meeting, he said. The conference room was full of investors. Jason was on stage looking very confident. Sarah sat in the front row proud. Ethan walked in wearing a dark mask. Jason, we brought an expert to ask. Ethan took off his mask and stood. The room went silent as Sarah gasped. Jason, what are you doing here, Ethan? Ethan typed commands on the demo laptop. He triggered the hidden digital logic lock. The green charts suddenly turned bright red. System overload appeared on the big screen. The entire demo crashed in seconds. Jason screamed that this was sabotage. It is a digital watermark, Jason. Red line 3456 now. Created by Ethan in Alaska 2023. Do you even know how to code? Jason slumped into his chair, defeated. The investors walked out in total disgust. Sarah ran at Ethan, screaming with rage. You ruined everything, you are a loser. If you had acknowledged my work, Sarah, maybe I would not do this to you. But you treated me like a fool. Jason stood up and slapped Sarah hard. You said he was a stupid nerd. They started fighting in the messy room. Ethan walked out into the bright sun. His phone buzzed with a great email. Welcome back, Ethan, our new CTO. The long nightmare was finally over. His real life was just beginning.